How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome back to another exciting LEGO Polybag opening. Today I'm going to be opening up this Polybag from the LEGO City series. It is the Police Bicycle Training Set. It's a pretty small Polybag at only 36 pieces, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for in uniqueness. It is from the year 2023, so it is 1 year old as I am making this video. It only comes with one minifigure, but he looks pretty unique. It's a police trainee riding a bicycle, which I'm pretty stoked to get. And we also have a bit of an obstacle course there as well. As I mentioned, this set was released in the year 2023, so it is a year old. It's getting a little bit harder to find some of these older sets, but I did manage to score this one for a pretty good price, and I'm super stoked to take a look at what some of the pieces look like and then what the finished product looks like once we are done building it. Before I can tear this bag open and start building this set, I would really appreciate if you guys would smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and also ring that bell notification so you can stay up to date with our new videos as they are being released. And then without any further ado, what do you say we tear this bad boy open and see what the Police Bicycle Training Set looks like once we are finished. Let's get it, guys.